Hello kids and welcome to English Grammar Prepositions Part 1. Let's find out what prepositions are. A preposition is a word which shows the relation between a noun or a pronoun and some other word in a sentence. This part of speech preposition is talking about two different parts of speech like noun or a pronoun. So that relationship can be said with the help of preposition. For example, Ridhima lives in Delhi. Now Ridhima and Delhi both are nouns and their relationship has been shown with the help of a preposition in. Her mother is proud of her success. Again, her and success, her mother and success. So, preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or a pronoun and some other word in a sentence. Prepositions can be categorized into three based on their form. How many? Three. Simple prepositions, compound prepositions, complex or phrase prepositions. Simple prepositions. Prepositions at its basic form. Basic form means single word prepositions are called simple prepositions like in, on, at, by, from. These are all single word. So they are called as simple preposition. Compound preposition. Compound, as the word suggests, it's a combination of two words. Generally formed by prefixing a preposition to a noun, an adjective or an adverb. So when two or more words are combined to form one single preposition, we have a compound preposition. The book fell behind the cupboard. So behind, below, within, without, inside, outside. These are all compound preposition words. Complex or phrase preposition. Phrase means what? Group of words. So according to by means of, in order to, these are all group of words. These are all phrases. So when a group of words does the work of a single preposition, it is called a complex or phrase preposition. For example, I parked the car in front of the gate. Now let's do exercise 1. Use simple, that is single word, compound. That means combination of two words, or complex preposition. That means the phrases to fill in the blanks and try not to repeat any preposition. There is a funny umbrella stand next to the door. In a recent survey, the boy-girl ratio has fallen again. The plants at the front door are beginning to dry up. You must start on time. Please look in the box beside the window. Beside is next to actually. This is from your letter dated 26 March 2011. Life was simpler with all the modern technical devices that exist today. On the flight from Bagdogra, I sat along with a famous football star. Children, you can do this exercise in the textbook itself. Now let's learn prepositions in detail. So let's begin with prepositions of place. Prepositions of the place. At. At means a specific point or area. Please wait at the reception desk. See, it's so specific, so exact. So in that case, we will use at. A particular address. So whenever you're referring to the address, everybody gathered at 14 Park Street. That's the address. Before the name of a place, we stood at the bus stop. Now we have more prepositions of place. Now next is in. An enclosed space. The jewels are kept in a box. Now that's the enclosed space. We waited in the reception hall for 2 hours. Again, hall is an enclosed space. So in that case, we will use in. A large area like a town or a city. I live in Kerala in a town called Alappuzha. My school is situated in Adipur. So when you're talking about a large area like city or town, we can use in. Now next is prepositions of time. Again, in time we can use at. At means a specific point. In time, we have assembly at 8 a.m. So whenever we are talking about any exact place or time, you use at. What did you discuss at the meetings? With names of festivals. Will you visit us at Deepavali? Now next again, in was in prepositions of place. It's also there in prepositions of time. A period of time. In minutes or hours. The courier will arrive in 2 hours. Time of day. We have the matches in the afternoon. Season. In winter it snows heavily in Srinagar. Month or year. We will get the results in May. The school may start in the month of October or November. Prepositions of time on. On means a particular day. On Christmas Day, everybody gets gifts. I was at work on Sunday. We had a holiday on 28th September 2009. So that means whenever you're talking about a particular day, we'll use on. Exercise 2. Use appropriate prepositions of place and time to fill in the blanks. Children, this exercise also you can write in the textbook as these are blanks. I was born in Shimla on a Thursday. There are muddy footprints on the floor. Who put all the old magazines in the cupboard? We celebrate Army Day on 15 January every year. I was part of the parade on Republic Day. After the holidays, it is difficult to get back to school. So true, no? Now after the lockdown, it would be so difficult for you to come to school. Before going home, Jim bought a bunch of flowers for his wife. Have you looked at the couch? Couch means sofa. For your shoes? I can't see Harsha. Mala is standing in front of her. I live near the old post office. Ours is a red house beside the road from the station. There is someone at the door. Who removed the pictures that were on the wall? Children, always remember when you are hanging, any hangings on the wall, we will use on, not in. The pipes, the electrical wires are embedded in the wall. But any hangings when you mention, it is always on. Rahul's head reaches below my forehead. I am taller. I put all my woolens in a trunk. Write exercise 1 and 2